Good morning. Welcome to ECTRA TV's Futures Nifty Live Analysis. Every day we do Futures Nifty Live Analysis at 11 a.m. in ECTRA TV Tamil channel and 11:15 in ECTRA TV English channel in the name of Action Point, where we are supposed to take long and where we are supposed to take short. So we will explore the opportunity for the day as well as we review what we did yesterday. Yesterday we identified the strong resistance area here, the red area. It's not able to go above this. At the same time, there was an attempt, when you are analyzing, there was an attempt to go up. Then if you want to make use of attempt, you can try with the stop loss of 515, and below this it may fall drastically. That's what we yesterday concluded, and yesterday the attempt failed to go up and came down and broke the support level and start falling. This is the yesterday scenario. Now we will go and check today's market opportunity. I will take you to the chart. Now we will go to the futures Nifty chart. The futures Nifty actually showing a kind of a strong resistance in this area. You can see that yesterday also it came to this zone, and this 11,535 and 11,630. This is the strong resistance area I just mentioned, and this is the area it's not able to cross. Yesterday made an attempt, today also it is very close to that attempt, but the difference is yesterday low and today low. If you look at it, this is a higher low. That makes a lot of difference for the bulls. Bulls are able to hold on those positions strongly. Now let us go to the intraday situations where we have the opportunity to trade. So I have identified two areas important. One is the support area is lying at 11,526 and 511, and if it dips here we can make an attempt to buy with a stop loss of 11,500. On the upside we are seeing there is a very strong resistance formed in this area. Bulls are finding it difficult to cross this area. So this 11,605 and 615, this is the zone where we can initiate a short with a stop loss of 11,630. This is how we can look into one long and one short. In between 11,560 is the immediate support area. When it's traveling on the downside, if it breaks 563, you can think about even going short with a small stop loss. So if it breaks here, it can travel towards 11,526. So there could be a move of say about 35 40 points from here. So that also can be capitalized when you are watching it closely. So this is the selling zone we have identified, and we have also identified the buying area. Also the midpoint also is very important for us once it breaks. This is how we should plan for Nifty. Quickly we will have a look into the sectors. I will take you to the sectors. Let us start with banking sector. Actually, banks today also made a good gap up open, and this gap up, after the gap up, it came down and moving sideways. So this is also looking for a sharp move. I have drawn two parallel lines to make you to understand this sideways movements will lead to a sharp movement, and that can be upward downside, but the downside looks more. So you will have to watch this very carefully. Once it breaks the support level, banks can fall drastically. The next sector what we wanted to look at is the automobile sector. Automobile sector yesterday disappointed and went down, but today it made a very strong upside strides. You could see here after the upward momentum it is moving sideways. This is the scenario in the case of automobile stocks. Then we will go to FMCG. FMCG sector is also doing very well. It is now in the morning it opened up with a marginal gap, but it closed the gap almost, and again it resumed its upward momentum. This is also an opportunity when market falls to buy. The next sector what we are going to look at is healthcare. This is the pharma sector. So pharma sector in general it's looking strong, but today also it opened up and nicely it moved up in the morning. Of course the morning traders could have made money in this upward momentum, but currently it is on the sideways. In any drastic fall, that may give a buying opportunity again at this next support level. Then we look into the IT sector. IT sector is a prominent sector, internationally very strong. In domestic front, if when you look into, there is a profit booking happening. So all the majority of the companies started moving down because people book part of the profits who took a good amount of delivery in the recent past, also making good money here. Finally, we see the metal sector. So the metal sector, when you look into it, is actually moving in a good way yesterday, and it made a good upward momentum yesterday. Today, actually, it gap up open and start falling. But currently, the scenario is whenever making a sharp upward move, you think about going short. That is the opportunity we could identify for intraday. So these are the sectors which we wanted to analyze. As well, we have the training programs, fundamentals, technicals, and F&O futures and options on every weekend from this weekend onwards. You can also be part of ECTRA Telegram channel for the daily market updates. I hope you like this video and share it. Also, you can put your comments. You can also follow us in the other social media like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook under ECTRA Fin Academy. Thank you.